Welcome to K&M Ranch, a premier working cattle ranch that could also be easily converted to a horse property here in a beautiful Ozark Mountain setting of southwest Missouri. Located outside the city of Crane in Berry County, Missouri, this location is just 5 miles to town and 30 miles to Springfield, providing for that peaceful country living. This 193-acre property features a terrain of rolling hills with mostly open pasture ground and scattered trees providing shade and shelter for livestock. The topography is a perfect, gently rolling slope throughout with minor elevation variances. Over 90% of the overall acreage is in pasture. Currently, this land is a cow-calf operation with a feedlot for weaned calves and a number of grazing pastures. The infrastructure and facilities are exceptional. The property is not only fenced and cross-fenced, but when entering the ranch, you will immediately notice the use of continuous welded pipe fence in key areas, along with welded H-brace pipe located at strategic stress points all around the property. All barbed wire is 5-strand, tightly stretched and extremely well maintained, with 10-foot spaced T-posts in between. All pastures are supported with either natural water sources, stock ponds, or freeze-proof waterers to provide adequate water for livestock throughout the year. The homestead is central to the ranch. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, with an open concept kitchen and living area. The house is situated with great views of the ranch, with excellent morning sunrise viewing. The current home could also make for a perfect ranch hand quarters if a larger home is desired to be built elsewhere on the property, and there are plenty of prime areas to build upon around this ranch. Other structures include a 60 by 100-foot Morton brand building with 16-foot high side walls, 2 12 by 12-foot overhead doors, a 17-foot wide by 16-foot high sliding door, and a fully poured 5.5-inch thick concrete floor with 2-foot rebar squares to support heavy equipment. There is also a 20 by 30-foot elevated mezzanine storage area inside the building with staircase access and workspace underneath. Attached to the front of the building is an 18 by 24-foot insulated office area with a covered porch to support the operation. There is an additional 30 by 50-foot Morton brand machine shed building as well for covered storage. The current layout is also very conducive to building horse stalls and a riding arena, or additional structures as the topography is level and offers many build site options. There are also several key fields utilized to produce alfalfa, orchard grass, clover, wheat, rye, and spring oats to supplement livestock, which could be used for growing horse feed supplements along with hay in the other pasture areas. Currently configured for cattle, it could easily be negotiated which panels and corral configurations would need to stay with the property sale. If you're looking for a clean cattle operation to step right into, or a horse property and can't quite find what you're looking for, this could be the perfect one to expand on and make your very own dream property. Call land specialist Chris Gear at Premier Farm Realty Group to arrange your private showing today.